to give the floor to Mr. Elgun Safarov on Article 9 for 4 minutes. Please, Mr. Safarov, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, dear Chair. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me warmly welcome the heads of delegation and all delegation members. Your Excellencies, the Belizean government adopted in 2000 both conventions on the stateless persons. At the same time, together with UNHCR, organized special working groups on 2022-2023, reviewing proposed amendments to the Refugee Acts, including many advocacy trainings, especially on the nationality and stateless programs. But at the same time, adoption of the comprehensive international legislation establishing a stateless determination procedure is ordered to identify and guarantee the rights and protection of stateless persons remains pending. When we say about the understanding of the convention incorporation procedure, how during these years, especially after 2015, when you adopt and ratified Stateless Convention, last one, 1961, did you incorporate this legislation? Why till this day definitions from the convention didn't incorporate it directly to your national legislation? I will go to the several points which are stateless status determination process, which are very important. That's why you ratified Convention 1965. How you implement it directly on the place, stateless status determination procedure, when you didn't make a special change in your migration organization, for example. But you tried to do going through the last years, 2022, 2023, but change is pending on the list at this moment. At the same time, we have the problem of the birth certification process, which are consistent reality. Registration, first documentation during the birth in the healthcare institutions didn't give the legal registration procedure directly. But what you're doing for the prevention of these measures? What kind of advocacy programs you're including, especially for the development such kind of process? I am saying especially using, for example, e-government or maybe different projects. Maybe you are planning to do at the same time. Registration will go with one window. I will go to another point with one more concern, especially high incidence of Maya girls' children who do not have birth registration documents and who consequently cannot claim nationality and social benefit in the state party. The lack of identification marginalized the Maya women in the Belize economy, limited their economic participation in the informal sector, which is very important question in this moment. That's why we'll go one more question. What plans are there to enhance birth registration so Belize to ensure access to legal status, access to justice, education and service for women and girls in the state party? How are girls and women affected with laws such as the Belizean National Amendments Act 2023, especially in case where parents are in cohabiting unions and not legally married? Thank you very much for your answers.